Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change capital letter to lower case in publisher document. So let's start. At first, open your publisher document. In this video, I will show change capital letter to lowercase. Now we can see. Now firstly, select from a page and select from all text. Now Ctrl A. Now go to the home menu option. Then click for a change case option. Now click for a small case option. That is. Then I show change capital letter to lowercase. Then again press from apply. Now select from a all text option. Now go to the home menu option. Then click for a change case option. Now click for a small case. That is. Then I show change capital letters to lowercase in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank